Comfort. Who doesn't like to be comfortable? I know I sure do. The problem is that it can keep our minds closed to new possibilities. Most of the top producers in our industry have gotten where they are because they have chosen to risk change over the comfort of the familiar. Albert Einstein is credited for saying, "The definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, but expecting different results." What if? What if there was a better way to do what you are already doing? What if you could be an owner instead of just a contractor? What if you could build a secondary residual income even when the market slowed down? What if you could access leads without closing out your savings account? What if there was more access to training? What if there was a better commission split with a lower cap? There is. You see, the real question is, are you even willing to consider a change over your current comfort? I know you do real estate for your family, so isn't it worth a few minutes of your time to consider that you could do more? The first step in defeating comfort is getting off the couch. Here's a link to a whole new way of doing real estate. No one has to know you're even looking at it. Now, if this makes sense to you, please reach out for further explanation. If not, please feel free to sit back down. You can do more. To find out how, call the number below or go to the website. Nothing ventured, nothing gained.